everyone, so welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can copy a video and put it down in CapCut. So by put it down, what I mean is that you want to make it as overlay. So here how you do that. So first just click on the clip, and then in here at the menu at the bottom just swipe until you find the copy options. Okay, this one, just click on copy, and there will be put by side by side like this. And if you want to make one of them as overlay, you can just click on the copy it here, copy version, and then find the overlay button. Okay, this one. Now it will be put down at the bottom like this. Then you can just drag, click on a long press on the clip and drag it to put it down under the main clip like this. Okay, so that's a simple tutorial from me, but I hope it will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and click on thanks button. Bye.